Your job search doesn't stop with just securing the job. Keeping the job may be a challenge in and of itself. To be thriving at work, here are a few things to keep in mind. Be on time. You want to send the message that you're dependable and willing to go the extra mile to meet company goals. Most employers are prepared to be flexible.
Do you have that report ready? I emailed you about last week.
Oh no, I'm still working on it. I'll try to get it to you as soon as I can. But I don't know when it'll be done.
If you miss a deadline, it may have a negative impact on others and can hurt your credibility. If you believe you may miss a deadline, ask for help ahead of time.
The report which you asked me to complete is ready. It is also available in the shared drive under the annual reports folder.
I would like to pursue the project management training opportunity. It will definitely benefit the company in the long run as we are expanding into a new direction.
Having the company invest in your professional growth is a possible option. When asking for professional development, be sure to put on a sales pitch. Let your boss know what's in it for the company.
Do you mind if we can have a quick chat? I've been with the company for more than 5 years, and in that time, I have consistently increased sales targets. I locked in one of the biggest clients the company has ever had. I wanted to know if we could talk about a monetary increase.
This is one way to make merit-based asks. Here are some things to consider. What is the company policy regarding professional development? And what is the typical salary for your industry? I hope these tips help you succeed at work and to find a meaningful career.